Hi friends, let me ask you one question. Do you ever feel like you are stuck using the same basic words over and over again? Maybe you want to sound more fluent and expressive, but you are not sure how to learn new words effectively. Well, you are in the right place. I'm English Friend 360, and in this video today, I will share 6 proven strategies to help you expand your English vocabulary quickly and effectively step by step. Okay, so let's get started. Step number 1, learn words in context. Learn words in context. First of all, stop memorizing random word lists. Instead, learn words in context. What does that mean? It means learning how a word is used in a sentence or in a real life situation. For example, I will tell you something now. Just listen carefully and try to understand every word. Every word. Ready? Okay. I go to temple every Friday. Today is Friday, so I went to temple this morning. I circumambulated the temple 3 times, then entered inside. After that, I prayed to God and spent some time there before returning home. Okay, here maybe every word is well known to you except the word circumambulated, right? You might not have seen it before, but I think you could easily guess its meaning. That is, circumambulate means to go around. Okay, but how could you guess it? Simple, based on the context, right? In the same way, when you come across any new word while reading or listening, just try to guess its meaning based on the context. Okay, this is the best way to improve your vocabulary because you are learning the words contextually, so they will be in your memory forever. Okay, and instead of just learning a word, create a context and try to use it in the context. For example, take the word exhausted. Learn it in a sentence like I'm exhausted after working all day. Okay, this way you will not only remember the word but also how to use it correctly. Remember, context is the key. Okay, and step number 2, use the power of themes. Use the power of themes. There is a funny technique to improve your vocabulary, that is, learn words by themes or topics. For example, if you are interested in cooking, learn words like whisk, simmer, garnish, etc. If you love travel, focus on words like itinerary, destination, and boarding pass, etc. So, grouping words by themes like this makes them easier to remember and more practical to use. Moreover, it's a great way to build vocabulary for specific situations. Okay, and step number 3, create a personal word journal. So, now let's talk about a powerful tool, word journal. So instead of just memorizing words, write them down in a notebook or in a digital document. This method helps you connect emotionally with the word, making it easier to remember. Okay. Moreover, you can revisit your journal anytime to review and practice. Okay. So, and step number 4, read as much as possible. Read as much as possible. One of the best ways to expand your vocabulary is by reading extensively. Okay, whether it's books, articles, or even social media posts. Reading exposes you to new words in natural contexts. And one more thing is, keep a notebook or a digital note to jot down new words you come across. Then look up their meanings and try to use them in your own sentences. Okay, so reading not only teaches you new words but also shows you how they are used in real life situations. So try to read as much as possible. And step number 5, use new words immediately. Okay, so the secret to making the new words stick with your brain is use them right away. So if you learn a new word today, try to use it in a conversation or in a text message or even in a social media post, right? For example, If you learn the word delighted, you could say, I'm delighted to meet you, or this cake is delightful. Okay, so the more you use a word, the more it becomes part of your active vocabulary. So don't let new words sit idle, put them to work. Okay, and step number six, engage in active learning and shadowing. Finally, let's talk about active listening and shadowing. This technique involves listening to native English speakers through podcasts or TV shows or YouTube videos and repeating what they say word for word. Pay attention to new vocabulary and how it is used in context. For example, if you hear a sentence containing the word resilient in a podcast, pause and repeat the sentence. She remained resilient despite the challenges. This is called shadowing technique. Okay, so shadowing not only helps you learn new words but also improves your pronunciation and fluency. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. Okay, so these are the six steps that can help you expand your vocabulary. So let's quickly go over these six strategies we discussed today. So the first one is learn words in context. So okay, understand how they are used in sentences. And number two, use the power of themes. Use the power of themes. Group words by topics. And number three, create a personal word journal. Record new words with definitions, sentences, and personal connection. And number four, read as much as possible. Expose yourself to new words in natural contexts. And number five, use new words immediately. Practice them in real life situation. And finally, number six, engage in active learning and shadowing. So learn from native speakers and mimic their usage. So, what is the takeaway? Expanding your English vocabulary doesn't have to be boring. With the right strategies, you can learn new words effectively and enjoy the process. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your vocabulary grow. Now, tell me what is the new word you learned recently and how did you use it? So, drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more tips to boost your English skills. Okay, so thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.